Today I'm going to go ahead and remove the Gentex Commander 3, and I'm going to go ahead and put up the EST Genesis horn strobe. So as you can see, we're going to go ahead and remove this, but don't you worry, I'm going to keep this pulsation the way it is. So we're going to go ahead and remove this. So our first thing which we're going to do is we're going to take off the thing for it. So all that you have to do is take the cover out. And now as you can see, this part right here is the horn strobe. We're going to go ahead and take it off. And then, as you can see, we're going to go ahead and remove the screw with your flathead screwdriver. Oh, yeah, this is really hard to unscrew, isn't it? This is really hard. There you go. Okay, now as you can see, we're going to go ahead and remove this screw again. Okay. Let's put the screw right over here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and remove the wires. So what we're going to do, remove this. We're going to go ahead and remove the first wire, which is the black wire, and our second wire, which is the white wire. Like, this might be really hard to understand how to unscrew this, but, there it is. Now your fire alarm is popped off. Just put the alarm in. Okay, now your Gentex Commander 3 alarm has been taken off the back box, the board. It's here. Now it's time to wire up this EST Genesis multi-city horn strobe. So as you can see, we're going to figure out where the terminals are. So as you can see, we have the positive terminal, we have the negative terminal. So these two are for the strobe and horn, as you can see right here. And then you have the model number, EG1HDVM, and it's a horn strobe. But some kind of fire alarms can be this as a chime strobe, but it should be different. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop the cover off with this flathead screwdriver. There we go. And now as you can see, I just put tape on it because usually, because to cover the horn so it will not be loud. So we're going to go ahead and wire this and see is it working. Okay, so as you can see, I just connected the black wire, and it comes to the negative terminal here. And now how about this wire? Now this wire is going to go through the positive. So we're going to go ahead and stretch out that wire. And then we're going to go ahead and connect this here. Yep, it can't reach, but let's just connect this. Okay, so as you can see, I installed my EST Genesis horn strobe. Yes, and this one is connected to my simplex pull station, and then we're going to go ahead and just pull it today. So, this one could do this. So, we're going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm and see if it's going to work. But, let's just pull it anyway. So, we're going to lift the knocker and just pull it down. Ready for it? I'm ready. We're going to go ahead and do this now. Alright. So without further ado, it says pull down. So if you pull down the pull station, this EST Genesis will go off. But anyways, here we go. Oh. Not in the middle of the crisis, I think doesn't work. Don't you worry, I just had the fire alarm connected. Alright, let's try this one more time. We're going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm now. Yep, it's working. Alright, so as you can see, we're just going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm. And as you can see, the strobe is going to go to flash if I pull it. So, without further ado, let's just key activate. Let's shut off the lights first. Yep, shut the lights off first. And then we're going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm. Zoom in 3, 2, 1. What the heck? That's weird. You ready? Alright, let's just pull it. Yep. And yeah, once again, never pull fire alarms unless these are your own. Or how about this? I will go ahead and key activate the fire alarm, and I'm gonna let's turn off the lights first, and then we're gonna go ahead and key activate. Alright, this is the key lock right here. You ready for it? Yep. Well, the strobe will actually flash during the night, but why not? Oh yeah, that's not connected. Alright, now it's working. So, alright, that's it.